langsa lang barok kowe. Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad Kisang Ma, Hindian kesngi ulai Shrimbentah ke Jingialang Jong ke GST Council ke ba sanpuai lingba ke video conferencing. Lapan ya ke Jingialang da ke Menteri ke Tanat Pelatingka ke Nirmala Sitharaman. Konrad Kisang Ma ulaong ba ke jing temu bokong san jong ke ni ke Jingialang ke long. Ban pentri kam khaddo ya ke khajna na ke benta ki jing tre beper. Ulapin syai ba on penkala yiki an jong ke GST, ban pentikna ba ke Jingia thong, ke Jingia khalai, ke lottery, bat ke Jingia khalai online na ke pisa, bat ke jing pen mare thong yiki kulai, kim lat na ke jing kmi jong ke ni ke an. Ulakin tho ba ke sarkar India ke sawan ra ya ke an shipor, lani ke ordinance ban pentri kam ya ke jing penkala kumbala yakut.
More details on how the taxation would actually be implemented was finalized. And number two is the amendment to the GST law. So that, I just have to speak technical stuff because that's what it is. That in the GST law, the actionable claims are, were exempted. And so the actionable claim tax exemption did not apply to betting and gambling and to lottery. So the amendment is being done to ensure that not only betting and gambling and lottery, but online gaming on money, as well as horse racing will also be included